How to reduce CNC machining cost of wireless microphone made body shell. If the made shell is CNC machined from aluminum bars, it will not only waste material but also take a long time to process. This only applies to the sample manufacturing stage. If mass production, the CNC machining cost is too high and exceeds the customer's budget. In order to meet the needs of the customers, our engineers optimized the process and choose hydraulic stretching and then CNC machining. Step 1. Stretch and cut the length with a 200-ton stretching machine. Step 2. Use CNC laser to cut the outside surface and the inner wall. Step 3. Machine holes at various locations on the surface. Step 4. Surface treatment. This not only saves material cost but also saves CNC machining time and reduce cost by 20%. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message.